Today we are in Orlando at IKEA, and if you watched our other IKEA video, you saw that we went and got some delicious food and that we mentioned we would be making a video showing you around IKEA. This is that video. So we're gonna head in, show you what it's like to go to IKEA. Let's go check it out. The parking lot is huge, and a quick little tip for you is the further away you go from the store, the more parking there is. It looks like they've got some online ordering over there, possibly.
Yeah.
That's cool. And then all of this up front where these cars are backed in, it's loading zones. So whenever you buy something, you can come back your car in and load it up in your car. And then the front of the store is where the yellow is at. We'll show you that. Then right here we have entrance, and it says store hours Monday through Saturday 10 to 9, Sunday 10 to 8. There's the restaurant hours and the bistro. They do have the bistro. And as you enter, ooh, they've got Christmas stuff out. Nice. And then, like in our other video, you take the escalator up to the showroom, but then right on around this little display are the restrooms. Now you can grab these little bags. These are bags you can just put some stuff in that you find during your walk through the showroom, so you don't have to carry it around, or you can just carry the stuff. Also, they do have Wi-Fi here, free Wi-Fi, and you can sign up for their IKEA family rewards thing, and you get, I think, 5% off your purchases. Learn some of their language here. See, it means hello. We're gonna head up the escalator. Now, just around the escalator, there's an elevator. So if you need an elevator, there's one right over there. In fact, that's the elevator. And if you recall from the video we showed of us eating here, that's where you go to eat. This is called the showroom, so it's very interesting. People kind of get confused. Oh, look, real quick, sorry, back up. There's the 5% off if you join. It's free to join. You can use their app, go online, all that. Look at the 2 promotional cards inside your advent calendar filled with chocolates, pralines, and crunchy cookies. The showroom people get confused on. So the showroom basically shows you what's in the warehouse, but out in like a home.
A nice display. They set it all up to where it makes you think, oh, that looks pretty, I want to buy that.
They also have these pencils and these measuring tape things you can take around with you to measure certain things.
They have these, the map.
Oh yeah, that's very helpful.
And then on the back, because when you're walking through the showroom, you're gonna see stuff and you can't grab it right then. On the back, they have a little list.
Ooh.
So you could write down product name, because it tells you on the tags, we'll show you later, where you can find that in the warehouse.
Yeah, that's helpful. So again, this is the showroom, so it's gonna show you what everything looks like in like a home setting. These are the items you can just grab and put in a little bag. There's another bag up here, so we're gonna go ahead and grab one. And then the warehouse is where you would actually pick up those bigger items. Like for instance, this chair. If you wanted this chair, you wouldn't grab this chair right here. You would find, you do want this chair. You would find what it is right here, write it down on the back of that, or take a picture, write down on the back of that little paper we showed you, and then you would go in the warehouse and find it. Now we won't show you like every single room, but at least with the rooms we show you, you can kind of get a feel for what it looks like. Like here are the sofas.
Some of the stuff that we have too.
Oh yeah,
So
that's true.
Some good stuff.
The sofas are here. Test them all out. I love how they make it look like windows.
Yeah.
That's so cool. They also have these little screens that you can customize to fit your needs. It is nice to come at Christmas time though, because they decorate for Christmas.
And they have like a Christmas line that comes out too, like Christmas decorations and stuff. Oh, look at the menu.
Oh yeah. And look, right here. Now over to like the tables and kind of, what?
Recipe book.
Oh yeah, we have our recipe book on that. Coffee tables, kind of sleeper sofas. That really got this Christmas thing going on. IKEA really has a lot of good storage options. So now we're in the storage section. I also like how they bring in like these computers and stuff just to show you what it looks like sitting at a table. Something we really love though are their like bookcases. They've got some really cool bookcases. Like, I mean, look at that even. Oh, little. That's cool.
Yeah.
But you can see they've got a ton of them. These trash cans are only $2 and they're good. We love these trash cans. This is the chairs and office desk section. I do love how they build out little rooms. I think that's so cool. You love this?
Yeah.
Love.
This color of the cabinets. I probably would do different pulls, but it's pretty cool.
I love the setup of how it's like walking through a home. Oh yeah. And in here, laundry. It's very cool. They've got prices on it. Like, you can buy the cups, you can buy everything. Oh yeah, that's cool. They also have this little like outdoor looking area. It's like you're out by the pool.
We have this. Holds up well.
Mm-hmm.
Can't scratch it. It's all good.
Here is the appliance section. See, there's dishwashers. They actually have a pretty good selection of appliances. Just kind of a lot of everything, kind of more of your kitchen supplies. And then now your like dining room tables. At first, it can be a bit overwhelming coming into this store. I remember the first time we came in, it was like, whoa. But then you start getting used to it. There's the actual bedroom section. Try out some different beds. Some things are hit or miss in here.
Yeah.
There are some things that we've gotten that we were like, wouldn't buy that again. And then some things that we keep coming back and buying. One of which I'm gonna buy some more, are these clothes hangers here. They are amazing. I mean, they go all out with their decorations. Look at this fireplace and this tub. Now we are getting into like the closet storage, which over here is where you will find the clothes hangers. There are some things that you can't find in the warehouse. The warehouse is for like the bigger items. So if you do,
If you see things like these, grab them now.
yeah, because they're not going to be down there. But same thing with the clothes hangers, which should be somewhere. And they are right here. I like them because this can turn and they've got the little spots where you can hang clothes up. And they are only $8.99. Not bad. This section's really cool. It's the kids section, so there's a lot of fun toys, different things for kids' rooms. Like all of these stuffed animals. Look at everything in here. I would love to sleep in something like this. I wonder how much it can hold. They should make adult ones. That would be so fun to sleep in. I don't see a weight limit.
I'm sure there is one. And I'm sure we exceed that.
For, let's see, for 6 years and older. I'm older. So we're looking at maybe getting this for storage for her classroom. And you can see we will take note of this because you actually won't get it here. You'll get it down in the storage.
So you can use the list from earlier, or I just take a picture of the tag.
And then that takes us back to the Swedish restaurant. Oh, look at all that with.
Yeah, that's smart.
It's kind of cool. So then we're gonna head this way, which is where we had to exit before, but this is where we continue shopping. Heading down the stairs, we're actually gonna pick up a cart now. The carts are kind of tricky. All the tires move in all the directions, so it can kind of be helpful and it can kind of be annoying. Now down here has the things you can actually grab and buy. So anything you see, you pretty much can put in your cart and buy. Got all the kitchen stuff. So if you wanted a pan, grab it, put it in your cart, buy it. They do have a ton of stuff. Fun fact, we have our plate set is like this right here, actually. and it was,
It's lasted us forever.
yeah, $25. It's on sale right now, actually, $25. It's lasted forever.
Yeah. And we got their cutlery also. The black cutlery. Right?
Yes, we did. Which I think, sort of like, yeah, like that, right there. Yep, that's it. But
I've had it for
4 years.
now, probably.
Yeah, and they're in really good shape for that. We also have these. Love these.
And the
Yep.
bigger pictures.
Yep. Now we're in the pillow section. And curtains. Pillow and curtains. Look at the nice Christmas display here. There are the IKEA pillows, which we've used some IKEA pillows before.
Mm-hmm.
Some blankets. Now onto the bathroom.
We tried just about one thing from every category.
Yeah, we really have. Whether that be kitchen, bathroom, bedroom. We are getting close to the end. Here are the rugs and mats. Have a good selection. Now the storage section. A lot of good storage stuff. They're very good with their storage items. There's some more of the clothes hangers. They do have some fun pet little supplies. Some pet bowls. And then also, honestly, we use a lint roller from here, and they're really good because you can just buy the little replaceable roll. Now we're on into the light section. We have a lot of lights to choose from. Show them real quick, just because the wheels all turn. It could go sideways, basically. Yeah, like that. It's crazy. They do have some Christmas lights over here you can buy. They do have a really good deal on like the vanity lights. $69.99. Whoa. Air purifiers. That's pretty cool. Here's some wall decor / some frames. All sorts of stuff. Look at this little tiny alarm clock for $1.99. That is hilarious.
That is funny.
Increasing sound in 4 steps over 2 minutes. If you don't wake up, turn it off. Another nice little holiday section here. They do have some wrapping paper in here. Now on the plants, and the plants, some of them are fake, some of them are real, and it's the last thing before you get to the actual warehouse. In the back far right over there are some real plants. And then we can get a flat cart here to get some of the bigger boxed items. And then this is the warehouse. You can see all of these are labeled. And you can even search for your product and find it that way. You can ask somebody, or you can just look for yourself. You can kind of see based on what they have at the end where your item's going to be. We just looked at the tag and it says it's in aisle 14, bin 1. So here's aisle 14 up here. And bin 1 should be right there. There it is. We actually had to do a little substitute and get one of these because the little box was big. But then you can walk down these aisles if you know where your item is. And then this is checkout right up here, which is also the like bistro, I think is what they call. There's $1 cinnamon bun. That's not
the size.
That's not the size of the cinnamon bun. And then of course they've got all of their Christmas stuff up here, which is cool. They do have clearance over here, which you can actually find some pretty good deals. I mean, look at all the Christmas stuff. Oh, we're coming back. She's excited. Coming back. Gonna go in clearance first. You can see this couch is normally $1,099 and it's on sale for $699. They've got a lot of stuff in there. Let's look at the Christmas stuff. Look at the little tree over there. Did we get one of those? Oh, let's go see if we can find one. Yeah, we couldn't find them last year. That's true. Tree, where are you?
That'd be so pretty.
Bought one, but they don't tell you where it's at. Over here in this crazy section, found it right down there. Woohoo! And then this is where you check out, and it can kind of be a little bit crazy sometimes. If you do want to park your cart somewhere while you like go eat, you can actually park it right over there. And then here's like the items where you can buy some meals, like the meatballs and different things. And then up here is the bistro where you can order like pizza. But we're gonna head out because it is very busy. All right, that took about, no joke, 30 minutes to check out, I would say.
We picked the worst line.
Somebody like way up in the front had 3 or 4 carts full.
I think they were furnishing their entire house.
Yeah.
Honestly, not kidding.
Whew, that was a lot. But anyway, hopefully you kind of get the feel for how IKEA is. And if it scares you, don't be scared, because it's really a cool store. We love getting our stuff from there. It's always kind of a fun treat to come get the food and also do a lap around and buy a few things.
It's usually really busy at Christmas time, obviously, and then also like back to school, because I think a lot of college kids get all their stuff here, so maybe avoid those times.
Yeah, but Christmas is fun because they have all the Christmas stuff out,
That's
so that's
true.
really cool. With that being said, that does it for today. Thanks for watching.